Well, I just found out that the 2025 Subaru Outback Convenience doesn't come with any dash speakers. So I have the DS18 tweeters for the Japanese cars for Toyota and Subaru, and we come to the little bit of instruction manual, a little bit of it's a DS18 decal, and the tweeter itself. Oh, not that bad, I guess. Let me open one and see how it looks like. Well, this is the tweeter itself, DS18, and the weird part is this actually has this kind of end. I was thinking it's actually a plug and play installation, but I'm assuming that we can actually remove this part. I think this extension is actually meant for using it for any car, modify the bracket. I think we have to remove this white clip so that we can put the factory harness in it. Here, let me try removing this one. It's actually a little bit hard to remove this clip. There's the clip here. You just have to depress it and pull it hard but slow, not to break anything. Alright, just came out. I think the factory harness can go in here. I'm not sure. We have to try it. To remove this panel, you just have to find a sweet spot. I found this spot as a pretty easy part to insert my panel removal tool. Make sure you use the plastic panel removal tool, because if you use a metal one, for sure you're going to scratch the part. Okay, let's remove this baby. I think it is held up with a couple of clips. We just have to carefully remove one by one. Like this. Do not use force, because if you try to use the force, you see the clips, you might end up in breaking these clips. Okay, this came as a full complete piece without breaking any clips. All right. Surprisingly, what I figured out is that I don't have a freaking tweeter in my dash. Damn, this is a 2025 model. I don't have the tweeter. Are you for serious, dude? Oh my god. I'm not joking. I'm not joking at all. Man, I don't have a tweeter. Damn. Alright. That's not good. Let me open the other side and see if there is a tweeter. Okay, this is the driver's side. I'm just going to open and see if there's a tweeter on this side too. I'm assuming because this is a base model convenience edition, it doesn't come with any tweeter. Oh my god, I think there is no wiring too. That is not good. That is not good at all. Oh my god, there's no tweeter wires. Oh, I see something. Okay, I think there is wiring. Oh my god. Oh, it is actually really difficult to film this video. So you see the clips, right? Okay, you have a little bit of room for actually to put the clips back in. So now I have to figure out how to mount these on these panels. I guess the factory one has two holes on each side. I'm guessing we can actually mount it with one of those holes. Let me figure out something and come back later. I actually got 4 clips to mount these tweeters, because I tried the screws that came with the tweeter and it doesn't work. So let's use some clips and see if it can be held in place. So guys, here we have our DS18 tweeter installation or upgrade for the 2025 Outback. As we have the base convenience model, we don't actually get the tweeters. So yeah, that's all, guys. So we just finished installing our DS18 dash repeaters. That's pretty much it. Yeah, it was actually really hard to install these speeders because the wires were short. I'm thinking we might be able to get some extension from Amazon, but as far as it is, I think should be fine because I'm not going to remove it again. So just live with it. That's it.